We finally found the two best spicy dipping sauces for literally anything: a tangy spicy tomato sauce and a rich spicy dill sauce that go perfectly with any of your favorite appetizers. Let's dive into the spicy tomato sauce. Start by sauteing a quarter cup of diced red onions over medium-high heat. Once softened, add a quarter teaspoon of chili flakes. Next, let's grab our garlic press and mince 2 fresh cloves to really bring out that aroma. Continue stirring for 1 more minute to build up the base. Now pour in 1 cup of tomato sauce and let it come up to a simmer. For the seasonings, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of dried basil, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Let that sauce keep simmering away while we finally chop 1 teaspoon of fresh parsley for that pop of color. Toss in that fresh parsley, turn off the heat, and just like that, the spicy tomato sauce is ready. Serve it warm or cold, this sauce hits the spot every single time. Now let's switch things up and dive right into our creamy spicy dill sauce. Start by placing a half a cup of raw cashews in a bowl or container and covering them with water to soak for an hour. Once they are ready, drain off the soaking water and toss the cashews into a blender with the juice of a half a lemon. And a quarter cup of fresh water. Blend on high until everything is completely smooth and looks creamy. Now, grab 1 cup of Greek yogurt and fold in that silky cashew cream. For that perfect texture, add in 50 grams of finely diced dill pickles to give the sauce a bit of chunky, tartar style finish. Add in the diced pickles and add 2 tablespoons of the pickle juice right from the jar for an extra kick. Season with salt and pepper and 1 tablespoon of olive oil for silky emulsion. To bring the heat, stir in a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, give it a good mix, and let it chill in the fridge. And your sauce is officially done. And there you have it, 2 incredible, easy and delicious dipping sauces ready for your next meal. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.